Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. This is free to join. You've set up a profile, and if you are selected to receive a goodie box, all you have to do is review the items inside. So let's take a look what's in here. Have a little note on the top that just reminds you to review your products, get samples and some full-size items. And it is packed with goodies as usual. The first thing I'm pulling out is by RawRev. It's organic, chunky peanut butter, chocolate. That looks really good. It's vegan, gluten-free, plant-based protein. We also have Fruitmojis, made with fruit juice, excellent source of vitamin C, no synthetic colors or artificial flavor, no high fructose corn syrup. Let's take a look at what these look like. My son's going to love these, I'm sure. Do they have little? Oh my gosh, there it is, the poop emoji. My son is going to be so excited over that. Let's stick those back in there for him. That's a funny idea for some gummies. Okay, so then we have this wrapped up product. Let's take a look at this. Aromatherapy dough. This dough is designed to bring peace and help with distress. Make sure you always wash your hands before and after playing. Keep it in an airtight container. It's not edible. It's called Loaf slime. They made sure to write "do not eat" on there really big. Let's see what it smells like. Another thing my son is going to love. So it just smells like typical slime. Oh, how cool. And it's not sticky. Oh, perfect. I like that it's in a container with a screw-on lid too. That really helps, especially if you have children. You know how they like to put away Plato and the lid like halfway off. So awesome. This quickly is turning into a box for my son. There's snacks in here. There's another one of those Fruitmojis. So we got two of those. Let's see what this is. Good Karma dairy-free Flaxmilk. Cool. It's got the omega-3s, which are really important, and protein, chocolate. That's awesome. Can't wait to try that. Next up, we have DayClear Allergy Relief. This is one dose. Says it's an antihistamine and cough suppressant. That will definitely come in handy. Relieve sneezing, runny nose, cough, itchy nose and throat, and watery eyes. Lasts up to 8 hours. Cool. Cinnamon snaps. Ooh, shortbread cookies. This is a cute little box. They're all packaged in there. Pretty big bag, actually. So that's what they look like. They're definitely delicious. I just ate one. I love shortbread cookies. Then we have a couple, that's hilarious, Goodwipes in my bag swag down there wipes. They are flushable. There's one in each. Those are good for like gym bag or your little purse. That's cool. Next up, by Real Chemistry, this is a Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. I have had products from this brand. I have like a little 3-minute peel that came in my Birchbox, so I am familiar with this company. They do have some great products. So I'm very excited to try their cleanser. I have not tried that before. Next up, we have Madagascar Vanilla Bean Ghee Butter. Grass-fed, lactose-free. Cool. Ghee on the go, pure spreadable butter. Then we have some Himalayan pink salt. This is the only kind of salt I use at my house. It's supposed to have all these health benefits to it, so that's awesome. Got a bag of that. It's resealable. And then at the bottom, typically we get a lot of advertisements, sometimes coupons for some of the items in the box. I'll just quickly show those. And I do want to mention, I get asked a lot, what's the best way to get a box? Or I signed up a long time ago and haven't got a box yet. If you follow their social media and interact with their posts, they do give away a lot of boxes on there. So I will link all that information below so that you can easily find them. And that is it. So thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.